Hey guys, Krozjin here, and welcome back to City Skylines. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a follow-up improvement or extension, however you want to call it, on my Recreate Real-World Cities video. I've recently learned how to recreate the roads themselves, and I want to share that with you guys. So to get started, you just go under Tools and the Map Editor, and we'll go ahead and select New. Select what kind of climate and trees you would like, and just click Create. Now the mod you're going to want for this is called Symptographer, and I'm going to put the info in the description below. And it gives you this nifty thing here. So with this, go away chirper. With this, you're able to use the terrain.party website and one other one, I forget the name of it, to recreate all the roads. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you watch it before this one, because it does go over all the tools of the map editor, as well as how to use terrain.party and things of that nature. I'm going to presume that you know it for this video, and we'll continue from there. So once you've found the location you want, you're going to want to open the RAR file, and then open the TXT that is inside of it. For me, I have this one here. So I downloaded San Francisco, and you get this nice little text file in there, along with your actual terrain. Now what you're interested in is right here, these coordinates. So what you want to do is just copy them, move that out of the way, and place them in here. And once you've got that in there, you just go ahead and click Load from Terrain.party. And this will generate the terrain for you, like so. So now you've got the terrain, you want to go ahead and make sure the water is reset. So that will be a proper height. And there we go. So basically, instead of going into import, you can just do it this way. I have San Francisco and some other ones I was testing out. So very easy to do. And of course, what you want to take care of is smoothing all these guys out, as I showed you guys in the last video, and just, getting rid of all these sharp edges and the docks, for example, on this one. There's docks here that aren't actually naturally part of the landscape. So you might want to get rid of that. Or keep it, I don't know. Up to you. So the next step you have to do is click Load from overpass-api.de. Now, there is a method to download the road data beforehand, because it is a lot of data. It's a very big file and takes a lot of time if you have a slow connection. So something to keep in mind. Personally, I didn't have any success actually downloading. I don't know if it was just the area I was trying to do or what. So using load from overpass-api.de works just as well. So you go ahead and click that, and it will seem like everything has frozen. Then you have to give it some time, and it will finish. I'm going to go ahead and put a cut here, and we'll come back once it has unfrozen and finished. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back. It took about 30 minutes for me to finish. It did seem like it was frozen pretty much the entire time. But don't worry, it is actually going. It hasn't crashed. Also, if you're ever worried that a program might be down and no longer responding, you need to force quit it, open up your task manager and go under memory. Go under processes and check the memory of the application. So in this case, it'll be cities. And if that number doesn't change within like a few minutes, then it's dead. Otherwise, if it changes even by 1 point, it's still alive. So, something to keep in mind. Okay, so now that load from overpass is taken care of, what you want to do is click Make Roads. Now look at that. Roads start to appear. Oh my god. It's alive! So, as it puts in roads, I think you can close this, but I'm not going to. Just Just be safe. But a few things. This does not do it perfectly. As in, there will be empty holes some places, so you will have to go in and clean it up. But it does a giant part of it. So, like here, these are one-way. This is a two-way. I think. Yeah, it's a two-way. It's a one-way. Maybe they were supposed to be connected. So, it does a good job. It doesn't do a perfect job. But, if you're trying to recreate an entire city, this is a fantastic place to start. So here it comes. We got this nice little this overpass. Oh my god, that drop. So again, not perfect. Some things are really, really weird. But it does give you that that starting point. You might want to go in and clean this up. Oh, clean a lot of this up. Like these probably, they're connecting right now to this road, but there's another one right there. Yeah, like it might be okay. You might leave it like that, but things like this, please don't leave this. Look at this drop. Oh my god, there's just a wall here. I know in real life this does not exist. It's just when you're trying to enter real roads into a game, it doesn't do a perfect job. But look at this. All the nice grids of the actual cities, all the city blocks are starting to appear. And it does a pretty good job. Yeah, so things like this, for example, probably isn't actually too... I mean, it could be like this, but this is probably more of a 4-lane road versus 2 one-way roads, you know? And you could go in and start fixing it all if you'd like. Yeah. Check this out. If you did this manually, I mean, honestly, this would take you so long trying to figure out where everything goes. Yeah, some weirdness happening here. Oh, it is done. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this out and check out what we have. This is San Francisco. A little bit of weirdness with the water there because of the terrain generation. But roads. Look at this. This is pretty sweet. And what I can do now is go in and start getting all the requirements, start connecting all the roads from here into the outside world, take care of all of these notifications. Sorry about that. And it should... it'll be a nice working city. This thing is really cool, but again, I don't know if it will work actually. Maybe you can try it out and see if it actually will have cars drive this. Because it's technically connected as far as the game is concerned, I think. And I would love to see it go up. This is amazing. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. This is just a very short, like, update thing. If you want to know how to continue this and everything, it is covered all in my last map editor video. I'll link it in the description as well as the mod itself. And if you're into recreating an entire city, this is a very good start. Yeah, look at that. Some weirdness here. But so much of it is there. The building blocks are there for you to go crazy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. 6th character. I'm not sure exactly right now. Oh, a forest troll. Okay, hopefully there's only one of you. Skyrocketing back up. Great outdoors. Park and rec. Let's see. Anything else? Can we put... No, we can't do the space elevator. It is 1.8 million. 20,000 a week.